Will it snow cone? Do you like sushi normally?
I do.
Hey, welcome back to Pocket.watch Studios. Today we are doing Will it snow cone? We know stuff fries, everything fries, deep fries. So we've done that. Why not go the opposite end of the spectrum and see will it snow cone?
We're gonna start here.
I'm excited, yeah.
And work our way down to the weird stuff. Root beer we got here.
Oh.
There you
Gonna
go.
force that in here.
Ew.
Okay. We should probably break it up into crushable chunks. Put this thing on and crank it. It's snow cones. Root beer?
Delicious.
Oh. Oh, those are very good. And it's definitely a 9. I'm gonna give, of items on here, I'm gonna give it a 9.
I'm giving it a 10.
You're giving it a 10?
Yes.
Wow.
It was
That's a
beautiful.
bold move. Let's try the Lay's chips.
Yeah, let's try the chips. We should probably try the things that look like they're gonna be easy to break just because our machine is not as strong.
It's not to par. It's a great machine. Like it's
beautiful.
Like it's
Perfect
perfect
just
the
the
way
way it
you
is.
are. Like
Don't
we have
let
no
anyone
complaints
tell you.
whatsoever. Like you have to be be yourself, okay?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh,
it's working.
Oh, it is working so
my gosh.
well. It's chips. I'm gonna give it a 6.
Okay.
No, a 5. I'm gonna give it a 5.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a 3. Now we have chocolates. We have some York chocolates here, and we have some.
No, these are York peppermint patties, not York chocolates.
Okay, Vitaly.
Tastes so
I'm
good.
sorry.
It makes you feel like you're on top of a mountain.
You know, I've never had one of these.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, so York peppermint patties will not snow cone, at least not on this machine. This machine keeps getting stuck. It's like literally just like lodged in there. I don't know if you guys could see it from the top. I love Taco Bell normally, but frozen Taco Bell does not, this does not look like Taco
good.
Bell.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Would you like to do the honors? Ew. Why are you laughing?
Because it's like, it's not bad, but it's frozen. And so the frozen makes it taste kind of weird. This is a 1. I'm gonna give it a 1.
That's really bad.
So Brandy and I had to go back to the drawing board. We kind of messed up again. Everything that we've been doing has been melting in front of us, so we kind of had to put it in the freezer. So it's 2 months later. We finally figured out how to do this. I think this one will actually work.
This one will work, so
okay, we're gonna drop this in here.
I can't even grab
Yeah, my
it.
fingers are too greasy also. Yes, it's working!
did it.
We've done it! We're geniuses! Yes! You know, I'm gonna,
Yeah, it's good.
it's pretty good.
I give that a 7.
I think I'm a 7 on that one too. Are you a sushi fan? Do you like sushi normally?
I do. I don't like frozen sushi.
You don't like, you've had it?
No, but I can already tell I
You
hate
can
it.
tell.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Oh, this is coming out so fine. Oh man, you could taste each flavor individually. I mean, a 10 for presentation, a 1 on taste.
Yeah. A 0 on taste.
0 on taste.
Goodbye. White Castle sliders.
Oh, you took so much. Why? You look like you're enjoying it.
I am.
I don't hate it.
Not. I give that a 7.
A 7? I'll give it a 7 too. This
Yeah.
is very good. I give it a 7 also.
Now we're moving on to cookie dough. Let's try.
Okay, ready, go. Oh!
Yes!
That's, oh, no, no,
it's
no,
okay.
no, 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 no.
It's okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on.
Good boy. Okay, come on.
You're just choking. It's okay.
It's just cookie dough.
10.
So now we're gonna try this peanut butter and grape spread sandwich. I love these guys.
Is it going? It's coming out in chunks.
Yeah. That's really chunky.
Snow cone, just not snow coned well, but it tastes good. I hate to say it, but it tastes good.
Yeah, it's actually good.
8 or 9.
Yeah, I give it a 9.
Snow cone wise, 4.
So we have some ice cream gummies over here. Pop those in. We have some animal gummies.
I'm really excited about this one. Of all the things, this is the thing by far that I'm most excited for, the snow cone. And working, it's not working, and I hate this so much. Why isn't it working? Please work! Please work! No! I just talked them up so much too.
Yeah, that's
Oh, it's not gonna work. You know what, you guys? Our snow cone machine deserves a like.
Yeah.
It really does. It went through
And a
so
round of
much. A
applause.
round of applause. A
did
comment.
great.
Let us know which other things we should snow cone. Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah,
Because it's the right thing to do.
You do. Okay, I'm Brandy.
I'm Vitaly.
Bye.
See you guys later. Bye-bye.